Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300 this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the left headlight fuse is located, which fuse controls the left headlight. If it doesn't work, always check that fuse first, so let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. The left headlight fuse, let's explain guys quickly where you can find it. We will demonstrate on this Chrysler 300 right here. Now we'll be working in just one fuse box, maybe two, we will explain why. But we need to open the trunk, and once you open the trunk, that's the carpet liner, lift it up. Underneath we have the spare tire, that's the car battery. Behind it we have a fuse box, and that's actually a closer look of that same fuse box. Here you have a few tabs that you need to squish together, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here guys, what we need to check, if we come in that row of fuses that you see right here on the very top, that's facing the front of your Chrysler 300. This is fuse number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuse number 7, guys, okay, that will be the one that you will need to check for the headlight. Now, if you have HID headlights, you're going to have another fuse as well, and that's going to be under the hood in the fuse box there. We'll have the video on the channel, it's called Chrysler 300 HID headlight fuse location. Check it out, guys. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.